These are another payments received from a free Telegram Thunder Core giveaway. As you see, here I'm having a Telegram notification that I received 10 Thunder token and another one for 19 Thunder token. Let me open one of them to realize what it is. As I said, these are some of the Telegram airdrop giveaway from Thunder Core. So you may join these airdrops and claim yours before they get to the end. Let me, as you see, here is 19 Thunder. As you see, it is completed. The payment is completed and the sender is that one. And those are some of the essential informations. Let me check. As you see here, it is Thunder Core and this is a network. You may join by clicking the link in the first comment of this video and claim your Thunder token before they get to the end. As you see, today I have received 3 payouts. As you see, in the last video I showed you about this one for 6.1 Thunder token, and after I received this 19 and then this. As you see, that Telegram giveaway is just legit and it is paying out. You may try all your best to get some of this giveaway.